Good morning, friends. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and cost-efficient DIY fabric softener for your washing machine. All you need is a gallon of distilled white vinegar, a bottle of a cheaper hair conditioner, and some hot water. So what we're going to start with is, and I will say, I used to precisely measure everything, but I've made this enough that I don't anymore. So what you start with is 2 empty bottles of distilled white vinegar, and then the 1 gallon of the full bottle of vinegar and the bottle of conditioner will fill these 2 gallons up. So what I do is start with 4 cups of fairly warm to hot water. And then you're just going to dump the whole bottle of conditioner in there. Okay, so now at this point, it's getting to where there's a lot left in here, but it's kind of hard to start getting out of the bottle. So you just want to shake it upside down and get it as low as possible. And then you can get some more. And then when it gets to low enough that you can't get a whole lot out, you want to take the lid off. And then we're just going to put in some more hot water. And that'll just kind of liquefy the conditioner a little bit better, just so we don't waste any. So then you're going to put the lid back on and really shake it up. Take the lid back off. And since we're adding water anyways, it doesn't matter that you've put all the water in the bottle. And then I'm going to actually do it one more time, just because I don't want to waste any if I don't have to. Put the lid back on, shake it up. And this can be a little bit messy if you're not careful, so that's why I'm doing it in the sink. And then you're just going to keep doing that until you get all of that conditioner, or as much as you possibly can, out. Okay, so now we have the water and the conditioner in the bottle. I'm going to put the cap on, and we're just going to shake this all up. And then you're just going to pour half of this into this container, so then you have 2 equal parts. Okay, a little bit more in here. Okay, so now we are good. So now we are going to take our full gallon of the vinegar. And if you want to do 2-cup increments in here, you can, just so you know you're getting the same amount in each one. It really doesn't have to be precise. And if you don't want the fabric softener to be so strongly scented from the conditioner, you could even make that whole bottle of conditioner be divided between 4 of these bottles instead of just 2. I've done that before, and the vinegar does not overpower. You can't smell it like the vinegar is strong in the bottle. You don't smell that on your clothes at all. Now, depending on how much water you use to get all the extra conditioner out of that bottle will depend on how much more water you add in once your vinegar is done. I may not add any more water in. I did kind of use a lot in the beginning part. Now, if you're not interested in making this much at once, I just like to do it because it's easier. And then we just put them next to our washing machine and I don't have to do it quite so often. If you don't want to make this much, I believe the original recipe is 3 cups hot water, 3 cups vinegar, and 1 cup of conditioner. But we go through it, so I've just found that this is the easiest way for us. Pour a little bit here. Okay, and now you're going to do a little bit more hot water. I do have a little bit of space at the top. And the bubbles will eventually, they'll go down, because then all we have left to do is put the lids on and then shake them up to get everything mixed in. So don't worry if it's pretty full, because once those bubbles disappear, it'll be a lot easier to shake. And I just kind of go ahead and make sure everything stays mixed in. Every time I put any in the washer, I just shake it up a little bit. Then you just kind of, and the warm water is what kind of makes everything mix together. So you do want to use warm to hot water and not cold. And that's why I mix the conditioner in with the water first, because if you put everything in together and then mix it, the room temperature vinegar will mix with the water and it won't really be that warm anymore. So there, that's all you do. Get them both mixed up. And then since the conditioner does kind of get all over, I just rinse them both off. And then for a full load in the washer, I will use about half of a cup for each load. So there you go. Have a good day. Thank you for watching.